Directorate of Health Services, Government of Manipur Amasung College of Nursing Thoubal ANINA PUNNA SINDUNA College of Nursing Thoubal gi B.SC Nursing First Batch Amasung ZNM 5th Batch AMADI College of Nursing CHURACHANDPUR Thoubal ATH ki B.SC Nursing First Batch Amasung ZNM 10 Batch 2025-26 ki MAHEIROISING gi lamp lighting Amasung taking gi THOURAM Thoubal College of taking gi THOURAM College of Nursing Thoubal da PANGTHOKHRE Haukiba numita pangthokkiba lamp lighting amasung taking lobagi thoram aduda Deputy Commissioner Thoubal Hana Kamai IAS na atoiba mitunglen Directorate of Health Services Government of Manipur gi Director Dr. N. Hemant Kumar Singh na thoram mapu aduga Chief Medical Officer Thoubal Dr. Y. Nokul Singh District Hospital Thoubal gi Medical Superintendent Dr. W. Rohini Kumar Singh amasung College of Nursing Thoubal gi Principal in Charge Srimati N. Memchaubi Debina akhanaba mitunglen Singh oina saruk yaki thoram gi saruk amu oina malemda The Lady with the Lamp hairaga khangnaraba Florence Nightingale gi photo da leisukatuna ikai khumnabu utki loinana College of Nursing Thoubal amasung College of Nursing CHURACHANDPUR Thoubal ATH asigi ahum suba batch ki B.SC Nursing amasung ZNM gi MAHEIROISING bu College of Nursing Thoubal gi Principal in Charge Srimati N. Memchaubi Debina taking tlauki Thoramaduda Manipur Nursing Council lauba examination da thoidok hendokna mai paklakpa amadi Position holder Lorokpa College of Nursing Thoubal Amasung College of Nursing CHURACHANDPUR Thoubal ATH ki Mahairoi ZNM first year gi examination da Manipur Pumba gi oina 7 rank ta lakibi Taibanganbi Nongthombam 10 rank ta lakibi Donpui Moi Charang second year ZNM gi examination da third position low kibi Nangsa Torina 5 rank tar kibi Ngairangbam Tanusri 6 rank ta kibi Ningthaujam Jessica Devi third year gi da Haikruzam Monica amasung Belori Warepam da citation amadi momento sing yenthok tuna pukning thawat ki